Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle text in iPaint X. First, open the application and start a new canvas. Next, tap the text tool and type out the words you want to curve. You can then adjust the font style, increase or decrease the size, and select a color that suits your design. This initial setup is crucial for a clear and readable result. Once your text is ready, select its layer in the Layers panel. Then, locate the Transform tool, which looks like a 4-arrow icon in the bottom toolbar. Within the Transform options, you will find Mesh Form. Tapping this will overlay a grid onto your text, providing the control points needed to begin shaping it into a curve. This is where the magic starts. With the Mesh grid active, you can now manipulate the individual points to form your circular text. Focus on dragging the corner and middle points of the grid to create a gentle arc. Pay close attention to the top and bottom rows of the grid to ensure a smooth, even curve. Maintaining consistent spacing between your letters will give your circular text a polished and professional appearance. To complete your full circle of text, duplicate the curved text layer you just created. Then, use the Transform tools to flip this new layer, either horizontally or vertically, depending on your desired orientation. Carefully align the two halves to form a perfect, continuous circle. You can then merge the layers and add any additional effects or shadows to make your circular text truly stand out in your artwork.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.